lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous colorful look that's perfect for the spring and summer season. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've already primed my eye with LA Pro Conceal in Porcelain. I really like to use this. It helps to have your shadows really pop. I mean, look how vibrant this is. So if you can't afford P. Louise, you can definitely get the job done using this, and it's a lot cheaper than the P. Louise. Today we're going to be working with the James Charles palette. I've had this for quite some time and I hardly use it, so I'm like, you know what, we're going to pull it out today. First shadow that we're going to be taking is Escape. It's a beautiful purple, and I'll be using my MAC 224 brush. I love this brush. And as you can see, I forgot to mention, I've already laid the tape to create that line. That's optional, you don't have to do this. Just gonna apply this to the crease, and you just wanna pat. Look at how intense that purple is. It is beautiful. That's why you always want to lay something down on your lids to prep it for the shadow so that it can pop. Now once you have the desired amount, then you're going to switch up your technique and you're going to start to make circular motions to blend out those harsh lines. Damn, my wrist is actually sore, yo. Oh my lord, my wrist is killing me. Woo! That's enough of that because my wrist is hurting. Now I'm going to be cutting the crease. I am not the greatest at this, but this is what works for me. I'm still learning as well. I'm going to be using again the Pro Conceal. What I like to do, because I have yummy or juicy lids, whatever you want to call them, they're chubby, okay? I just like to dab a little bit on my lid and then look up. And that will determine how high I should take my crease. I'm probably going to take it a little bit higher, but I'll start with that. Using the Morphe, what is this? M224 brush. It's a neat little brush to cut your crease with, so give that a try. You don't want to go all the way for this eye look. For me, I find when I do it just part way, it looks better on my eye. So I'm going to stop right about here-ish. And don't worry, we're going to get rid of that line. Gonna let that dry off for a little bit. For my brow bone highlight, I'm gonna be using MAC's Melon Pigment. It's very pretty, and you literally just need a drop because it is pigmented. Taking an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. It is so old. I need some new brushes. Start at the highest part of your brow and work down. Of course, you just want to blend that out. What is this? This is this little brush here is a C200 Deluxe Crease Brush. I like to use it just to blend that out a little bit. I don't like harsh lines. I'm going to be grabbing the shadow B. This is Vibrant Yellow. I'll use this eyeshadow brush. There's no name to it. It's like a million years old, but I love using it. We're just going to pat on the yellow, and you just want to go up to about the middle-ish of your eye. Just pat it on. Alright, so back into the palette. I'm going to be taking the shadow Skip. It's this really vibrant hot pink shadow. I'm going to be using a different brush. Again, it has no name. Any eyeshadow brush will do. Just want to lay that right here. I'm gonna go back into the palette and grab Escape again. And using the MAC 217, just want to take out that harsh line there. So just work it into the outer V. For my eyeliner, which I'll be applying off camera, it's NYC's Liquid Liner. And also off camera, I'll be applying my lashes. They're in the style Jakki, and it's by my company GlamourEyesByChar. I will leave the link down below for you if you'd like to check it out on my site. They're absolutely beautiful. I'll finish up with the rest of my face and I'll be back with the finished look. Off camera, I also applied an eyeliner. It's a nice teal waterproof eyeliner by NYX. And I just put it on my lower lash line, just to spice up the look a little bit. That's everything to my tutorial. If you enjoyed this look, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!